Since its launch in late 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope has completely transformed our understanding of the universe. But recently, something even more surprising has happened. The most powerful telescope humanity has ever built has captured observations so strange and so unexpected that some scientists say they challenge the limits of what we thought we knew about space. From unusual galaxies to mysterious signs that hint at the possibility of life beyond Earth, the latest discoveries from this telescope have opened doors to questions that scientists are still struggling to answer. It raises a powerful thought. What if some of our biggest ideas about how the universe began are incomplete? Stay with us, because what you're about to learn could change the way you look at the night sky forever. It all began with what seemed like a faint whisper from deep space. While studying distant galaxies using data from the James Webb Space Telescope in July 2023, astrophysicists noticed something unusual. 3 strange galaxies appeared in the telescope's deep field images. At first, they looked normal, but the light coming from them did not match the pattern scientists usually see from stars forming inside galaxies. Instead, the signals hinted at something entirely different, something scientists have only talked about in theory. These mysterious objects could be what researchers call dark stars. Dark stars are a fascinating idea. Unlike normal stars, which produce energy through nuclear fusion, dark stars would be powered by dark matter. Dark matter is one of the biggest mysteries in modern astronomy. Scientists believe it makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe, yet no one has ever directly observed it. If dark stars really existed in the early universe, they could have grown to enormous sizes, far larger than typical stars today. Some scientists think these dark stars might even explain why so many massive black holes appeared so early in cosmic history. If this theory turns out to be correct, it could completely change our understanding of how stars first formed in the young universe. But the James Webb Space Telescope was only beginning to reveal its secrets. Next, it turned its powerful instruments toward a distant planet known as GJ 1214b. This world is classified as a super-Earth and orbits a small red dwarf star about 40 light-years away from Earth. For years, scientists believed this planet would be difficult to study because it is covered by thick clouds. However, Webb's infrared instruments were able to look deeper into its atmosphere than ever before. What researchers discovered was surprising. The planet appeared to contain large amounts of water vapor in its atmosphere. Even more interesting, scientists detected traces of methane. On Earth, methane can sometimes be connected to biological processes. Because of this, the discovery sparked excitement among researchers. Some scientists now think GJ 1214b might be what is known as a water world, a planet covered almost entirely by deep global oceans. If that is true, it raises a fascinating question. Could life exist in such a strange and alien environment? While scientists are still investigating, the discovery suggests that planets with conditions somewhat similar to Earth might be more common than we once believed. Another remarkable discovery came when Webb observed a galaxy at the far edge of the observable universe. The light from this galaxy has traveled for more than 12 billion years before reaching Earth. While studying this ancient galaxy, scientists detected special molecules known as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These molecules are complex organic compounds that can also be found in smoke and soot on Earth. Even more importantly, they are considered important building blocks for life. The telescope was able to detect these molecules thanks to a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. This effect occurs when the gravity of a massive object bends and magnifies the light from distant galaxies behind it, allowing telescopes to see objects that would normally be far too faint. The presence of these organic molecules so early in the universe suggests that the ingredients needed for life may have existed long before Earth was even formed. This raises a powerful possibility. Life in the universe might not be rare at all. Instead, it might be something that naturally develops wherever the right conditions appear. The telescope also revealed something that deeply puzzled astronomers. One of Webb's most impressive achievements was capturing images that once took the Hubble Space Telescope more than 11 days to gather, in less than 24 hours. But what those images showed was not just beautiful, it was confusing. Webb's ultra-deep field observations revealed galaxies that appear extremely old, dense, and well developed. According to current cosmological models, galaxies should need billions of years to grow into such massive structures. Yet these galaxies existed less than 600 million years after the Big Bang. Even more surprising, some of these galaxies appear to contain enormous black holes at their centers. In some cases, these black holes are thousands of times more massive than the one found in the center of our own Milky Way. Discoveries like this raise difficult questions for scientists. How did such huge galaxies and black holes form so quickly after the universe began? Some astronomers say it almost looks as if cosmic evolution somehow accelerated during the universe's earliest moments. Among the many breathtaking images captured by Webb, one particular spiral galaxy drew special attention from researchers. The galaxy appeared incredibly symmetrical, with a structure that seemed almost too perfect. But the real surprise came when scientists analyzed the light spectrum from this object. They discovered what looked like a mirrored version of the same galaxy slightly shifted in position and time. While gravitational lensing can sometimes produce multiple images of the same galaxy, this case appeared especially unusual. Both versions showed nearly identical energy patterns, redshift values, and star cluster movements. To some scientists, the observation looked almost like a cosmic echo. A few theorists even wondered whether such observations might hint at deeper mysteries about the structure of the universe itself. The telescope's discoveries did not stop there. While observing a dying star inside the Carina Nebula, Webb sensors detected subtle frequency vibrations coming from the collapsing star. When scientists converted these signals into sound waves that humans could hear, they noticed something unexpected. Instead of random chaotic noise, the signal followed a repeating rhythm that seemed strangely organized. Some researchers compared the pattern to a heartbeat, while others suggested it sounded almost like a coded transmission. While there is likely a natural explanation, the discovery reminded scientists that the universe still holds many surprises. Because the amount of data collected by Webb is enormous, scientists have also started using advanced artificial intelligence systems to help analyze the information. At one point, a machine learning model examining the telescope's data detected something unusual in a region of space that appeared completely empty. Astronomers call such regions cosmic voids because they contain very few galaxies or stars. Inside this particular void, the AI detected a strange oscillation pattern. When scientists visualized the pattern, it formed a rotating spiral of gravitational distortion rather than normal matter. Even more intriguing, a similar signal had briefly appeared years earlier in older observations from the Hubble Space Telescope, but it had been dismissed as background noise. Now Webb had detected it again. The phenomenon did not match any known cosmic structure, leaving scientists unsure how to classify it. Perhaps the most mind-bending discovery involved an unusual pattern in the redshift data of distant galaxies. While mapping galaxies in a region near the constellation Fornax, astronomers noticed something strange. In this area of space, galaxies seemed to show a pattern where their redshift appeared to move backward instead of increasing with distance. Under normal cosmological models, redshift should always increase as objects move farther away from us due to the expansion of the universe. But in this small region, the pattern seemed reversed. Galaxies farther away appeared slightly younger instead of older. If confirmed, such a phenomenon could suggest that time or space behaves differently in that part of the cosmos. Some physicists describe this possibility as a time fold, while others think it may simply be an unusual observational effect that scientists have yet to understand. Standing on the edge of these discoveries, scientists now face a universe that appears more mysterious than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to confirm our theories about how the universe formed and evolved. Instead, it has revealed phenomena that challenge many of our expectations. From possible dark stars formed in the earliest cosmic eras to unexpectedly massive galaxies, from hints of life-supporting chemistry to strange patterns in deep space, Webb continues to show us that the universe is far more complex than we once imagined. And this may only be the beginning. As more data arrives and scientists continue to study it, new discoveries could reshape our understanding of space, time, and the origins of everything we know. The universe is not silent, simple, or fully understood. In many ways, We are only beginning to explore it. If these early observations from the James Webb Space Telescope are any indication, the next discoveries waiting in the darkness of space might change our understanding of reality itself.